Welcome to our guide on getting started with Microsoft Word. If you're new to Word, don't worry, we'll walk you through the basics step by step. Microsoft Word is a powerful word processor used to create documents like letters, reports, and resumes. Let's take a quick look at the interface. At the top, you'll see the ribbon, which contains tabs like Home, Insert, and Layout. Each tab has a group of tools that help you format and edit your document. Below the ribbon is the document area, where you type and format text. At the bottom, you'll see the status bar, which shows the page count and word count. Let's create a new document. Click on the File tab at the top left, then select New. You'll see different templates, but for now, click on Blank Document to start fresh. To save your document, click on File, then Save As. Choose where you want to save it. Enter a file name and select a format like .docs or .pdf. Click Save to finish. To quickly save while working, click the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar or press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. To open an existing document, go to File and click Open. You'll see a list of recent files, or you can browse your computer to find a specific file. Click on the document to open it. When you're done with your document, click on File and select Close. If you haven't saved your work, Word will ask if you want to save before closing. To close Word completely, click the X button at the top right corner. The File tab contains several important options. The New option allows you to create a new document from scratch or use a template. The Open option lets you access recently used documents or browse your computer for saved files. The Save and Save As options enable you to store your document in different formats and locations. The Print option provides a preview of your document and allows you to print it. The Share option lets you send your document via email or cloud storage. Finally, the Options menu allows you to customize Microsoft Word settings to suit your preferences. That's it for our introduction to Microsoft Word. Today, we learned how to create, save, open, and close a document, and explored the File tab. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!